Hey, what is up guys, Tayo here, and from today's video you'll know everything you need to know about the Tecno Phantom X. I know you're interested, that's why you clicked on this video. So why not just subscribe because you are interested in videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. The Tecno Phantom X is a glass sandwich made up of Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and it comes in two colors, which are Starry Night Blue and Monet Summer. My favorite color out of the two is the Starry Night Blue color. So let me know your favorite color in the comment section below. The Tecno Phantom X has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Apart from the fact that the screen is an AMOLED screen, which means you get deep blacks and fantastic colors, you also get 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate, and do you know you get an under display optical fingerprint sensor on this curved display on this device, which is really good. No wonder why the price is a bit high, and I'll be telling you the price towards the end of the video, so stick around for that. It runs on Android 11 and iOS 7.6, and as we all know, Tecno is the king of bloatware, so you get a lot of bloatware on this device, but we can always uninstall them and customize things because hey, after all, we are using Android and you can literally do anything you want on it. And speaking of Android, you should get software updates on the Tecno Phantom X. This device is being powered by MediaTek Helio G95 processor, which is a 12nm gaming processor backed up with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. So there is no need of getting an SD card, and trust me, gaming on this device will be fantastic because of the processor and the RAM. The Tecno Phantom X rocks a triple camera setup consisting of a 50MP main camera, a 30MP telephoto camera, and an 8MP ultra wide camera. Thank God there is no 2MP macro camera on this device, although the 8MP ultra wide camera should double as a macro camera, which is also very nice, but I just thank God there is no 2MP macro camera on this device. Videos from the Tecno Phantom X Pro maxes out at 4K 30 frames per second for the rear camera setup and 1080p 30 frames per second for the dual selfie camera setup, consisting of a 48MP main selfie camera and an 8MP ultra wide selfie camera, which is nice. I don't know about you, but I don't really like dual selfie cameras. I don't really see the usefulness, but hey, I think it's cool, I guess. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you like two selfie cameras at the front or just one? We get a 4700mAh battery on this device, which is a bummer. I would have preferred a 5000mAh battery because that's what I think should be the gold standard in 2021. Nonetheless, this battery can be charged from 0 to 100% in less than 2 hours, which is really good, and it is due to the 33 watts fast charger that comes with this device. The Tecno Phantom X comes at a price of $185, which is equivalent to 228,000 naira. I personally think this price is a bit much, but hey, let me know your thoughts on this price in the comment section below. This device is a fantastic device. I mean, you get flagship features on this device like USB Type-C, Wi-Fi, the latest version of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth latest version, under display fingerprint sensor, is cropped display, a camera that shoots 4K, the dual selfie camera setup, and yeah, just all these really good specs. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this device in the comment section below, the like button, and yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in my next video. Peace.